This woodworking apron is made out of a canvas that's 100% waterproof cotton. It offers superior protection. It's super comfortable as well. The shoulder pads and cross back straps offer great weight distribution. It's very comfortable. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. You can see the rugged detailing with the stitching and the metal grommets, metal rivets. Lots of places to hang tools. Now I've started to load this up. Every woodworker needs a quick razor blade. I use this so often that I painted it yellow. Pencil, hammer, lots and lots of pockets, including the kangaroo pocket. Look at this. This goes the whole way down. This is a pocket the entire length. I also like how versatile this is. I use it for woodworking, but it can also be used for welding, gardening, machine shop, engine repair, lots of different use cases. Overall, this apron does what I need it to do. It is super comfortable, and I really like it.